If you're tired of your stocks going down, if you're tired of opening up positions and seeing it going red, then you came to the right place. There's a lot of YouTubers out there who do nothing but pump and all this BS. They say about all long holding and it'll come good, but they're garbage stocks. If you're sick of all of this and you actually want to learn and pick good winners on the weekly basis, there's no coincidence that on this channel over the last 12 months, we have consistently picked winners week on week. We talk about the week prior, how we performed, and we look at the setup for the week ahead. If you're interested in this, you came to the right place. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. It's the week ahead. We're going to have a look at some of the stuff that's coming up, and we're sick of hearing people moaning. This is you here. Me, Kevin, said it's going to go to the moon. Financial education says this new coin is the best thing ever and I'm going to 15 times my money. If that's you, don't be that guy. That guy's a douche, trust me. Be the guy that is in control of your situation. So I did my video last Sunday, as I always do, February the 27th. Go in and check this. First stock that we talked about last week was Ford. I liked what they're doing. We're waiting on the reversal and we talked about it on the channel. We never got said reversal, so we didn't open that trade. The next stock is Tesla. We've been in Tesla for a while. No change in the story. It was up 2.81 on the week. We're not going to look into it. That's a low hold for me, so it doesn't really matter too much. AMD, we talked about this. We said we were in this channel. We broke through, and it'll be interesting to see what would follow the next day. And unfortunately, a red day followed, so we didn't open that trade. Google was another one that we were potentially going to open. We didn't get above our 9-day moving average. This was the 28th. This was the following day. It was a green day, so it was looking positive. The next day, had it been a green day, we would have been buying this trade. We didn't perform badly on the week, mind you. It was only down 0.87 on the week, so that's not too bad. The Glencore Dream, now we've been in on this trade for several weeks now. We are leveraged on this trade 3 times. On Trading 212, you can do a 3 times leveraged position. I've been in it for about a month now, 17.7%. But on the week, it finished about 9.29. It's been in it since the 7th of February. However, I have taken some profits once we've got sort of the tipping point of the Bollinger Bands, but this could continue to run because of the massive uncertainty with the markets, which we'll get into. So the next stock is Albertsons. Phenomenal, 22.7% in the week. Even I did not expect this to throb as much as it has. Trying to hold it long. The reason we're trying to hold this long is because this is going to be our inflation play, and I'll share the link to my inflation video. I did it on Wednesday. It tanked really, really hard. No one's interested in boring stocks. I understand that, but honestly, you're better off doing this, trusting charts, trusting the process, good companies that will last and stand the test of time. Even a wee dividend through in there, phenomenal stock. It's boring, it's not going to multi-bag, but I tell you what, a 22.3% in a week where most things were red, you take that all day long. So make sure to smash that subscribe button, get involved. So I put this into my Discord, which you can also join, link down below. Said, don't know what to do, Albertsons. I was in on this for the inflation trade, maybe hold it for the next 12 months. I'm expecting maybe over the next month it could be up 20%, but not over the course of 3-4 days. So I did take some profits. I took about 15% on Friday. Massive regret because it actually turned around and went up even over 3%. But that's the thing, you can't be greedy, and I'll teach you all of that as well. We talked about Dollar Tree. We talked about their earnings coming out. We were waiting, so we waited for the earnings. Could have probably got a better price and all that. I buy into that, but I rather not play earnings. Earnings, it shot up and we opened up a small position here. I'm still going to build my position. We'll see what way it goes. I'm currently actually down on this position just because of the way Friday went, but I'm okay. It's going to be a long hold, phasing the money and everything I talked about in that inflation video. In that inflation video, I also talked about the gold that I was buying. We talked about this channel. We've been in gold since this buy symbol came on, currently up 8.5%. Doesn't seem like a lot, but when you're 5 times leverage, you're up 50% in the month. You'll take that all day long. Now, gold makes me a bit nervous. Not going to be fantastic in a recession. It's better with all the current uncertainty. So once we got above sort of this level of 1970, I actually sold a whole heap. So I am now out of gold. That trade is done. Just like I'm nervous about the oil. We had a small trade in and out on, opened it on Wednesday, I put it into my Discord, and I closed it on Friday. Probably could have got more out of it on Friday. Definitely could have got more out of it on Friday because we could see the Friday actually had a great day again. Very small beer. I think I made about 1% on it, so it was poor, but it was just a bit of a day trade on the pullback. And it's all in the inflationary video. Who would have thought wheat would be as exciting? Now we talked about the reason why wheat is exciting. Ukraine is a massive producer of it. We can see here, even since the 28th of February, born old wheat is up 25%. Now, again, because it's a commodity, I always leverage my commodities because they usually don't move that much, but this is fairly shifted. And I cannot believe in a week we have doubled our money on wheat. It's just phenomenal. So I have to say, as much as the terrible turbulent times is in Ukraine, and I wish for peace straight away, of course, it has been a real brilliant opportunity to be able to play on things that are short in demand. Still holding wheat, still holding my Glencore. We'll see what way these things play out. I've sold out of my gold and my oil, as I said. Still holding my treasury. That's again the longer hold, but for the here and now, I'm liking playing these commodities, but be careful because these things have really throbbed. The charts are saying take profits. And just to back that up, you can see here asset classes year to date, commodities, gold, dollar, everything is going great. These are the things that are down. So I'm starting to load up slowly into my yields and my bonds. So we look at the events calendar, still got some earnings going on, which I share in my Discord every week, the earnings table for the week ahead. Nothing that exciting, interested perhaps in Rivian and DocuSign. Something I'm keen on as well is the ECB, it's the European interest rate decision. We will see what they're saying. And just the usual job data and stuff like that. So it'll be mostly just based on the war situation really that's going to dictate this week, I feel. In terms of stock picks, I don't really feel there's any much more to add. One that I might keep an eye on is Caterpillar. It's not looking phenomenal. We do have a buy symbol came on. It was a green day on Friday, shows a bit of strength there, but we're still a wee bit below the 180. A lot needs to happen there, but that could be one potentially this week that I'm jumping on. But honestly, the ones that I'd be focusing on will be all the ones that we've talked about on this channel. I'm going to continue holding these positions. I really want Tesla to go to the moon. Premier African Minerals, Coda Minerals are longer holds on the channel. We know all about that. Premier African Minerals had a good day on Friday, finishing up quite strong. Unfortunately, Coda Minerals on the week is down about 10%. I did top up on Friday at 0.26. We got an initial jump and then it has dipped again. So that's where I'm sitting with it. Again, alerting everybody in my Discord that I topped up at 0.26. We talked about resistance and support levels. That one, to me, in and around that 0.24 to 2.026 range is good level. So hopefully we won't fall through that, but again, with all the conflict, who knows. And I just want to wrap up by saying if there's any particular stocks you want me to look at charts for, I don't mind doing that and go into a bit more detail. I'll maybe try and do that during the week, just a little 2-minute video on charts. Leave them down below, happy to do that. I'm trying to grow the channel, so please like and subscribe. Really want to try and get 4,000 soon because it's been very hard growing a YouTube channel this last 12 months. When the markets are going down, no one wants to watch anything. The competition ended over the weekend. Last month I did a competition. I was meant to do it every single video. Completely forgot. I did it in one video and I got 2 comments, so it was a tough one. But I went for the female. Pam, you're welcome. You have been given access to the Elite Discord course. Delighted to have you on board there. Let you feel of it and hopefully you can give me some positive feedback. That will be very much welcome. But so far I feel that you're in the Discord and you're enjoying it, so that is good. And if you're interested in the trading course, the link is down there below for other stuff as well. Free crypto, free shares, all that, the jazz. I'll catch you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.